Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm changing out a tail light bulb and a reverse light bulb on a 96 Ford F150. From 87 to 96, I know that the tail lights never changed. They are the same. So for those of your vehicles, if you're trying to figure out how to change the tail lights out, or the tail light bulbs rather, out, watch this video. So you have two screws on the outside, Phillips head. Get your Phillips head screwdriver. You got two of those on the inside. Unscrew those. Your lens comes free. Now you'll notice on the back side of your lens, you'll have it looking kind of funny. And that's because your bulb housing has to lock into that. So it goes in, turns, it locks in, stick it back in the housing, or back into the truck rather, put your bolts in, you're good to go. Alright, thank you for tuning in. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, do what you gotta do. If you want to leave a comment in the box below, go right ahead. Thank you. God bless. Later.